Hello everyone, worksheet chapter 4 history, the Mughal Empire. Write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. Let's start. Tick the correct option. The Mughals did not like to be called Mughals because they were from their mother's side. Genghis Khan's memory was associated with Damascus. It was linked with Uzbek, Mongolian competitors. He ruled over part of China and Central Asia. So the option are first and second, second and third, third and fourth, or fourth and first. Raise your hand. Yes, Sejal.
Then I think first option, first and second, A option.
Okay, next one. Anyone else? Okay, Mahi.
Ma'am, the answer will be, ma'am, D part, ma'am, fourth and first.
Yes. So the answer is option B. Okay. Because the Mughals did not like to call it Mughal or Mongol. This was only because the Genghis Khan memory was associated with the massacres of innumerable people. It was also linked with the Uzbek, their Mongol competitors. Fine. Now come to the next. In 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, second Uzbeks, third Safavid Iran, or fourth Sher Khan. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, the answer will be Ibrahim Lodi.
Ibrahim Lodi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Anyone else? Vansh Sharma.
Ma'am, Abraham Lodi.
1526.
6.
Anyone else? Yes. Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Umesh Sheikh, Mirza's son was Akbar, Aurangzeb, Babur, Jahangir. Yes, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer will be B.
Anyone else? Yes, Lavish Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the option 3. Question 3.
Ma'am, I think B.
Anyone else? Find out answer, everyone. The option is Babur. Umar Sheikh Mirza, the father of Babur. Okay. Now next, Mughals were proud of their Timurid ancestry because they were the successor of Timur. Yes, they were the successor of uh, Timur. They had captured Delhi in 1398. They did not like to be called Mughal. They were from their father's side. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, option B. They had captured Delhi in 1398.
The option is B. They captured the Delhi in 1398. Yes. The Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babar and Uzbek, Babar and Mughal, Babar and Ibrahim Lodi, or Babar and Rana Sanga. 1526. Yes, Bhumi. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, I want to ask that the third answer is Jahangir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedika answer. Ruling as a largest territory as the Indian subcontinent was
Ma'am,
an
we were
easy.
doing Ma'am, we were doing the fifth part.
Okay, Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babar and
Ma'am,
Ibrahim Lodi.
yes, sir.
Now come to the next, the true false. Ruling as large as territory as the Indian subcontinent was easy task for any ruler to accomplish in the Middle Age. It was easy task to capture the Indian subcontinent.
False.
False. Now the next one is The Mughal were descendant of two great lineage of the ruler. True or false? Yes, Kavya Thakur. Kavya Thakur. Yatharth Singh. It is true from their mother side and from their father side. Now come to the next. Sher Khan defeated Humayun at Chausa in 1539 and Kannauj in 1340, forcing him to fly to Iran. Chausa in 1539 and Kannauj in not 1340. I think there is a misprinting, 1540, forcing him to fly Iran. So everyone recorrect over here. Write down over a 15 instead of 13. Write down over a 5 instead of 3. So here is written 1340, so it is wrong. Next. Sorry, I put wrong next part. The Sisodia Rajput of Mewar refused to accept Mughal authority and defeated the Mughal ruler into the war. Yes, raise your hand. It is false. Next, filling the blanks using appropriate word. The Mughal did not believe in dash, where the eldest son inherited his father's estate. Instead, they followed the Timurid custom of dash, in division of inheritance among all the sons. So, Mughal did not believe in which term of succession? Primogeniture. Term of primogeniture. Everyone write down. Primogeniture. 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 And here you write down Timurid custom of co-passenger. COPARCENARY. Okay. Now the come to the next. The Mughal campaigned constantly against the ruler of Dash, but as the Mughal became powerful, many other rulers. Mughal campaigned constantly against the rulers who refused to accept their authority. Who refused to accept their authority. But as the Mughal became powerful, many other rulers. Write down over here. Who refused to accept their authority. Now come to the next.